Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we add signatures on Word document. First, go to Insert, click on Pictures, go to this device, select your signature, and then go to Crop. And crop the signature portion. Just click outside. Now just select it. Just go to wrap text, click on behind the text. Right click on it. Go to format picture. Increase the sharpness. Increase the brightness. Now just drag your signature and just minimize the size. That's it. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.